In this installation guide, we'll tackle the Liebherr L576, equipped with the D936 LA6 engine. Follow along as we install the 4DPF.com DPF Delete Kit and eliminate particulate filter-related downtime, regenerations, and maintenance concerns. The kit consists of the device and the wire and harness for plug-and-play installation. Learn more or get your kit at 4dpf.com. Link in the description. Begin by locating the differential pressure sensor. This sensor monitors exhaust pressure before and after the DPF and is one of the primary connections required for the Delete Kit installation. Disconnect the differential pressure sensor connector and install the device connection directly into the machine harness. The Delete Kit replaces the sensor signal, so the connection is made in place of the sensor, not into the sensor itself. Next, identify the 3 exhaust temperature sensors associated with the after-treatment system. These sensors provide temperature data used during DPF operation and regeneration events. Disconnect each of the 3 temperature sensors and connect the corresponding Delete Kit wiring. The yellow wire connects to the first temperature sensor, the green wire connects to the second temperature sensor, and the blue wire connects to the third temperature sensor. As with the differential pressure sensor, the connections are installed directly into the machine harnesses rather than the physical sensors. Locate and disconnect the knock sensor. This prepares a system for installation of the pass-through harness in the next step. Connect the pass-through harness by attaching one side to the machine harness and the other side directly to the knock sensor. This is the only connection during the installation where the device system remains connected to the physical sensor. All sensor inputs are fully handled by the Delete Kit. Open the device housing and connect the main harness plug. All previously installed connections are routed through this single connector, making installation quick and straightforward. Once connected, observe the indicator LEDs on the device. The illuminated LEDs confirm that the device is powered correctly and communicating with the machine as intended. After confirming proper operation, reinstall the Delete Kit cover, then tighten all fasteners to protect the internal electronics. Use zip ties or other suitable fastening methods to neatly secure the Delete Kit and wiring harnesses. Ensure all components are properly positioned and the installation area remains clean and organized. With the installation complete, your Liebherr L576 is ready to work at full power. No DPF faults, no regenerations, no DPF cleaning, just maximum performance and productivity. Experiencing DPF or DEF issues? Contact 4DPF today and get back to work.